How to use Splitwise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can use the Splitwise application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to use the Splitwise app, well, that's also pretty much very simple because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Splitwise application, and then you can download the app from your app store or maybe your Play Store, and then you can choose the sign up. Now, if you don't have an account, you can tap the sign up option here to be able to enter the full name and then log into your Splitwise app, or else you can just tap the sign in with Google if your account is linked to Google, or you can also choose to sign in manually depending upon what is it that you prefer over here. Now, once you do this, you can see you can choose to upgrade to Splitwise Pro, but I'm just going to select not now option, and then over here you should be able to see a couple of details from the Splitwise app where you can go to your groups and choose to add an expense. You can also come to the friends tab, you can come to the activate tab over here as well, and after you have done that, if you come to the account tab, you should be able to customize most of the settings such as the email settings, passcode settings, and so on. You can choose to add an expense right from here, choose to enter a description, tap the arrow icon to be able to add that expense. This way you'll be able to use Splitwise. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.